friends, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we are going to start trigonometric identities. In the previous videos we have discussed about ratios of complementary angles and trigonometric ratios, but in this video we will be dealing with trigonometric identities. So let's start. Trigonometric identities. Now, in class 10, there are basically three trigonometric identities that are cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. In this video we will discuss about these three identities, and in the next video we will be doing sums related to these identities. So let us prove these three identities. This is our first trigonometric identities. So before proving this, let us draw a right angle triangle ABC, and we know in a right angle triangle let AC is the hypotenuse, which is denoted as H, BC is base B, and AB is perpendicular P. Let angle ACB, let angle ACB be theta. Now we know that sin theta can be written as perpendicular by hypotenuse, as I have discussed in the first video. So sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H. Similarly, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. We know these things from the first video itself. So sin theta is P by H and cos theta is B by H. Now putting the value of sin theta and cos theta over here, we can get the required result. So now let us write it as LHS sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta here is P by H, that is sin square theta means P square by H square. Similarly, here cos square theta is B square by H square. So by adding we get P square plus B square by H square. Now since it is a right angle triangle, we know by Pythagoras theorem, that is H square, hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. So we can write P square plus B square is nothing but H square. So H square upon H square gets cancelled and we get 1, which is RHS. Therefore we can say sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the first identity and this is the first proof. The proof of these identities are not necessary for the exam point of view, but to understand, our second identity is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So similarly let us write, we know that Similarly, we know that tan theta is perpendicular by base. So we can write tan theta as P by B. And sec theta is, we know cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So we can write hypotenuse by base. Now putting the value of tan theta and sec theta over LHS and RHS, we can get the we can prove it. So LHS 1 plus tan square theta, that is 1 plus tan theta is perpendicular by base, so p square upon b square. Now if we add this, we get b square plus p square. Again, we know that b square plus p square means it is nothing but a hypotenuse square. So b square plus p square can be written as h square by b square. Now let us do RHS. RHS is sec square theta. Sec square theta is given h by b, that is h square by b square. That is if from LHS we have got h square by b square, and from RHS we got h square by b square. So we can say LHS, therefore LHS equals to RHS, and hence 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Now let us do the last identity. 1 plus cos square theta equals to cosec square theta. We know that cot theta is tan theta is, we know, perpendicular by base. So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta we get, cot theta we get as b by p. Similarly, cosec theta, we know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of 1 by sin theta, and sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse, and it is the reciprocal of it. So we can write it as h by p, since sin theta is p by h. So by LHS we get 1 plus cot square theta is 1 plus b square upon p square. So p square, if we add it, we get p square plus b square, and we know that p square plus b square is hypotenuse square. So h square by p square. Now RHS is cosec square theta. Now cosec square theta is h by p, that is h square upon p square by p square. So LHS equals to RHS. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence 1 plus cos square theta equals to cosec square theta. Proof. So we have learned the 3 formulas, and from the next video we will be doing some problems, and we will be doing some sums related to these formulas. So hope you guys like it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos related to it. And I will be completing class 9, class 10, class 11 and class 12 syllabus in the YouTube. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.